how to attach a file in email within your Gmail. This is what you will learn in this video. So step 1, open the Gmail account, sign in, and then click compose. Here write the addressee to whom you want to send, subject, and then write the message. So I've written the subject, so I've written the message also, and now we want to attach the file in our Gmail. So for that you need to click this attach file icon, which is similar to that of a paperclip. Click this, it will open a new file. From here, browse any file which you want to add. You can add PDF, Word, or even video or audio file. Click open. That file will be attached here. You'll see the progress bar, and when it is done, you will see the file name with the KBs, and you just need to click the send, and then that message will be sent. As you can see that I have received the email because I was sending it to myself. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.